Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be recreating Jeffree Star's look in his video called The Truth About Boys in the Industry, Beauty Industry. Sorry, I fucked that up. Obviously, I'm not going to be cutting up a Louis Vuitton purse because they won't even let me in the store. Let's just be honest. I thought I'd stay in my lane. And I'm going to be cutting up a Target bag. Since I'm also familiar with Target, I thought that I would peel Target. And I actually paid for this bag. Yeah, 10 cents. Let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw on some patches. Thank goodness I have no bones on my body. Okay, so now he's cutting up the Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna insert this clip.
And I've been looking for someone to put up with my bull.
Isn't it the saddest thing you've ever seen? Okay, so now we're gonna cut out the part of my Target bag. So we have two parts for my two pieces. Okay, so now I'm just gonna trace. I don't even know how he did that so perfect. Okay, I just guess I have to fill it. Okay, now we're gonna see how they fit. Okay. Obviously, I fucked it up. So now I got my liquid latex. So now I'm gonna get the liquid latex and I'm just gonna paint it on my face. Okay, we're gonna put this on my face. Oh my goodness, it's super sticky. So this is nice and stuck now. So what's next? Okay, so now I'm gonna paint this. We're just gonna get little pieces of tissue and we're just gonna put it over. All right guys, so there it is. So now we're going to add the foundation. I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte in 120. We're just going to put some on my hand. Okay, so I'm going to use a sponge and just kind of dab it on. The faces I make when I put makeup on, now I'm going to set it. I'm just going to be using the Stay Matte Powder by Maybelline. Just gonna... Okay, so he's using a bruise wheel, but I don't have one. So I'm just going to be using this Wet n Wild palette. It has a lot of bruisey colors. That already looks so crazy. Can't believe this. Can't believe I'm able to do this. Crazy, right? I cannot believe I did this to myself. Okay, we're not done yet. Okay, so he kind of blended this in. So I'm gonna use some of this and just kind of go around it. He didn't do it on the video, but I could tell. He basically just has a plum all in the eye. Okay, so now we're doing a nude lip. Okay, so now we're doing the blood.
So this is just benign.
Here is the final product. I threw in this sweater just because it's Target colors, and I got my coffee because I'm a mom and I'm exhausted. I think I did okay. I'm actually kind of shocked on how good it came out. I don't know what the hell I'm doing with makeup. I don't even know how to blend, like, but that's another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please tweet Jeffree Star this video so he gets to see what a mess I made of his awesome video. Deuces dailies.